Ever wished your TV could do more? Let's make it happen with Google Chromecast. First, plug your Chromecast into your TV's HDMI port and power it up using the supplied adapter or a USB port on your TV. Switch your TV input to the correct HDMI port to see the Chromecast welcome screen. Next, grab your iPhone, go to the App Store and download the Google Home app. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Don't forget to turn on Bluetooth and enable local network access in your settings. In the Google Home app, tap the device's icon or the plus button, then select Setup Device. Follow the prompts to find your Chromecast and confirm the code shown on your TV and iPhone. Choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and let the app do its magic. Voila! Your Chromecast is ready. To cast, simply open a Chromecast-enabled app like YouTube, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast. Enjoy your content on the big screen, and that's it. Happy casting!